Hi there, Mohammed. It's Marcy Hutton. I spoke with you earlier today to get your email, and I'm here shooting your video for you. Now, what I'm going to show you are 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely asking yourself, why would I do this? What's in it for me? Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I'd like you to do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. Now, I want to keep this as brief as possible. When I first put your site in here, I don't know if you've seen any of these things on the internet, but it was just a white screen, and then it said kind of like not secure connection, you know, making it seem like you don't want to click. And because I've done this before and I know it's okay, I find the button, but your average person may not be able to get to your site when you get that screen. If you'll notice up here where it says not secure and it's in red, I wish I could show you what it showed me, but I've already got it open. But I did start to click around, and there is some funky stuff going on here. You can see, I think really the only page that I could get was the home page. They were all doing the same here. So we got something going on there that you want to get looked at. On top of, you know, if somebody came to your site, you're going to have that stuff going on. But Google can read these things when there's errors and there's things like that going on. And they're definitely giving, seems to go through stages. This not secure here will be not in red. It will just say not secure in black print, and they don't show that white page. So I guess there's varying degrees of this, but Google does give preference to sites that are secure. So back to what I'm going to go over. I'm going to go over 3 things. I'm going to go over content, citations, and backlinks. And to begin with, content. What I mean by content is what I've got highlighted here. The images, the words that you have on the home page of your site. I'm just going to check something. So see how that just says residential 1? Well, that picture could be named home renovation Vancouver, renovation North Vancouver, home renovation, kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation. There's all those keywords. You can name these pictures. Plus, you want to have all that kind of stuff within the content that you've got on here. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, authoritative, unique, well written content on a homepage. When something hits the internet, they go out there and they crawl it, and the reason that they're doing this, they go through your entire site. The reason they're doing this is they want to be able to figure out what this new information is that's hit the web, so that they can match it when people come on and search for something. What's in it for them is they make money by people being on the search engine, so they're wanting to keep them there, and therefore they want to serve them up the most relevant results when they type something in there that they want to see. So you definitely have an opportunity here where if you added some content to your homepage, it's going to help Google to be able to match you with potential customers. So there's your content. Number 2, I'm going to go to citations. We'll go to the first page here so we can tell you how that benefits you. And first of all, what a citation is. It's a place where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number on the internet. This listing here is a citation. So 411 yellow pages, when you have the Better Business Bureau listing, all those, any place where you can list your business is a citation throughout the web. Having many of them, the benefit to you is Google's out there crawling. They're going to see you cited, your business cited all over the place. It lets them know you have a legitimate business. You're cited all over the internet. But B, it's going to help to give you, push you higher up in the search for this map listing. You know, nice to be up here. These businesses that get up here, we call this the map pack, without users having to click. Statistics show that probably about 50% of the clicks, all the total clicks to the first page of the search here, are going to whoever's showing up in the map pack. So it's definitely something you want to strive to get to. Now, over here, this is a citation finder. Whitespark.ca. You can come in here yourself. The last search that I had up here was for a painting company, but you can go ahead and do searches yourself. You can search for businesses, search for keywords, and what it's going to do, if we go back to where I was there, these are all places, and all businesses can, now it's just going to want to spin for me. Goodness gracious, comparison, there we go. So even though it's a different business, here you go, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Manta. So when you go on and you put in for home renovation, use that as a keyword, you're going to find out the competition, all of the competitors in there that have a fair number of citations, and then you can click on like this, find out where they are listed, and get your business listed there as well, and preferably more, so that then you can beat them on that and work your way up into this top 3. Now, here, this section, we call this the organic section here, and that brings us to the third thing that I'm going to touch on, backlinks. That is what helps to push your business up onto the, higher and higher in the search in this area below the maps. But what a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. If you think of the internet like a big popularity contest, that's probably the easiest way I can explain how it benefits you. When another site on the internet votes for you, aka links back to your site, Google sees that as you're the popular one, and therefore they're going to push you up in the search and make you more visible. I put your site into a tool that shows us what's going on back there. It shows me that you have referring domains. You have 12 other websites on the internet that are linking back to your website, giving you 23 backlinks. You're being found for 8 words, and see, this is where the content comes in, is very important. Unfortunately, though, your site's a little further back in the search, so it's not, nobody's finding it and clicking on it on their own. Without it being on a paid ad. So when it says organic, that means you're not doing, just not through a paid ad. So I took a site that was on the first page, appearing on the first page of the search, and you can see that they have 253 other sites on the internet that are referring back to theirs, giving them just about 1,000 backlinks. They're being found for almost 1,500 words. And they're getting just under 800 average visitors to their site each month, and that's really just from showing up there on that first page, and probably for more search terms than just Vancouver renovation. Well, let's see, let's spell it right. Yeah, they're still showing up. So you can see that they've got a pretty powerful backlink system there. So those are the things I want to bring to your attention there, Mohammed. I would say that this one here would be an important one, though. You just don't want it showing up as a white page and then people not even looking at you. So I'm going to email this off to you, and I will follow up. I want to make sure that you do in fact get it, especially because I want you to know what's going on with your site there. And we'll talk to you soon.